Okay, sa may Totoka na ngande and castle ngo sendo na balitui nangono makawa lubsar na kau may buli deke nimbola Vinaka eti kung ken na balitui ngo non endo na Vale to na Hanston kena na baka pertania au na bartak talengo na bano eti ko kina endo talen na tui e Jamani na bano ndo kina ngo e kemni na turang kina marama e ngo na border makawa ke Jamani ke to ngo na East Germany may teya ano do siango tiko talmiken endo talen na balnitui ero na balnitui ndo ako ngo ndurtu kinango ngo non to na Hanston family sa wol na ron yabaki na ken tartu na balnitui ngo ngo bir na balnitui Jamani ese bulutunga medavongo ya ngo kito tiko na East Germany nda kila nangona na koroni bolule ba wase roto Jamani na East Germany na West Germany ngo nduno ndur tu kina ngo yau na tui enangono ya kartongali en inatidaki kortuchuk misalnya robi medak sarang akir tunut tisanango kartongali tiko na sa sabagara West Germany iya ko sarang ngo na puno menganti tu kini ko ando la kanungo marotakana nungo meitungo sarasara sabi so chikona rok ni kau ate ko mero lutu mai ando marotakana tango lima ando me buli dele na kae makawa membeleti rope marotaka bakalevu ndono toka na wuti wai kena be uli bono kena be toka itu Totoka bakawiti Klano ni reto kana bula sa tikabutan romena bula sa tikabumbong ilaka-laka tingko ni sa ndondoni tikuningo na raki mata-mata winta kasarkan ko na buno may sarsar to kina ni singbilang ni ko anak kana mata-mata ko atong balikin oli dursar idake oli adobsar na ulusar ni tu balitu idango keto li dursar loma tukang nunggu tokan o Sofia vasar sarte kiu chuko mai ela lubi ko marota ka baklew ni ko tiu mai se botar chungo ndona madao mi ona ngole lestale o me sarasara en uno Totokongo ngo kito tusar tunga na lomondonu ke Jamani Central Germany na buno talanga tar chukina na balni tuingo erto tolu na matin tu na ngono maka matin tu bak Jamani erto me tawasi tiku nga na malio ni ulni bonongo kena udi wa ndon to kaya bakkan ni rito ko malu na Vale ni tu ko to maya kena karua kena mate undur tikinango lomondonu lako kina na kena bito ko itu kain na udi wa o kaya wase tolu na matin tu makawa tolu na rawe 1300 nangone tikabu tarakina na Vale ni tu yang ko ngayan dongan nunggu do leka-leka bambul chika ni bikim ni Totoka sara wadir lo maneka binang ni ko andon mi atau no uda ni ko au wanto tuk mena motoka au tukun chika me bena motoka me lako le bina o mi kundo na uda me tau amendina ako sarangan yali na uda sa kirong ga mitu yani go namram vitrini en Vale tu Totoka ngo Jamani nakabakalew na sarasara would you be able to hold this and you walk down and then quickly run there and come back so just hold on and say hello to people
where you run. Hello, hello. Now I took over the phone, and now what should I do? Turn? And now I have to keep talking. So yeah, we visited the beautiful castle of Burg Hanstein. Here you go. You can see it again. Very old medieval German castle. And yeah, we are close to almost finishing our tour because they're closing now. And as you can see, it's getting dark already. Here we have a church. And all the leaves have already fallen down, so winter is coming. Ich glaube, sie geht gerade noch auf Toilette. Dann kommen wir auch raus. Wir sind die Letzten, ne?
Ich glaube schon, ne?
So I'm not Teresi, so I don't know. She told me that I should tell you something. So I'm not sure what she has already been telling you. So we are actually here now. We just read about it, where the former German border was. So we are exactly here. Here was East Germany, and they used one of these towers in the GDR to patrol, to do some controls, border controls here. And we have another castle right there, which is very close actually, and this was already Western German part. So yeah, here was the border, and here was the border already in medieval times, and they were warring and having wars, the kings, and trying to protect their areas. So yeah, a lot of history, and there she comes. There's Teresi. And we're getting the car now, and then we're having some tea actually. This is something very German maybe. I made or maybe not German, but it's very cold, and I made like a thermo. It's windy and cold, and we are having some tea now, and then we're continuing our way back to Rostorf and Göttingen.
Thank you. All right.
So I tried to explain a little bit again. I don't know what you have been telling already, so maybe people heard a lot of the stories twice or 3 times already.
Yes, thank you. Oh, there's 45 people watching. Wow. Yay! Thank you. Thank you, Sofia.
I hope you liked my stories.
So Sofia was a great storyteller, eh? Yep, they said yes. They said beautiful Germany. Totoka Jamani. Like everybody, thank you for watching, and bye.
I want to ask you if you can buy the poster.
Oh yeah, can you ask her?
Yeah.
Do you have the poster for the castle? Yeah.
Können wir das noch kaufen, oder das ist blöd für Sie?
Okay.
Wir haben das, ich fand das schön, als du mitbringen willst. Ja.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, reserve sektor ko Jamani. Around Marama, speaking in beautiful German. Yes, from Fiji, very far away. The sarsarango, the lapalot to Gurango. Go repalot to.
Do you want to have one or
Two. Yeah. How much are they? €2?
€2, but she says they have several different ones.
Oh.
Ah, she can show you? Yeah, I think we...
Yes.
Oh, yes.
And
One.
But you have another? Maybe the other?
Nee.
No.
Oh, just one. Okay.
Eine.
Okay.
We is German.
Cards.
Oh, okay. Yes, get some cards.
Von dem gibt es nur noch eins übrig. Ist das das letzte?
Nee,
Poster?
das ist nicht das
Achso, weil sie hätte gleich 2.
Okay.
You want to have 2 of them? Or you want 1 and cards?
Yeah, 2 of these and cards.
Okay. Spielen wir mal?
So how much is it? So 2. Yeah, these are the cards. So doing some shopping, some postcards. Yes.
You see, we can ask her about this story.
Oh yeah, the jealous head.
You can do a
Oh,
puzzle even.
oh. How much? How much is a
If you
puzzle?
like puzzle.
€5?
€5.
Okay. Hang on.
You want to take
Yeah, got some money. Yeah, €5. That's €5. Very good.
Also insgesamt sind es €10.
Okay, total 10.
Okay.
With the poster.
So 5.
Irgendwas, so eine Gummiband oder so, damit wir das rollen können?
I think I got play. That's good. They're gonna volleyball. So it's $3 to get in.
Haben sie nicht? Okay.
So one of that.
Is it okay if I roll it?
Yeah.
I think it's better than it doesn't. You have like €5?
Yeah, I
Or
can.
like
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you another 5. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. You can say. Tell her to say hello. Tell her.
wollen
say
Sie mal
hello.
Hallo sagen?
Yeah. Hello. Tell them about what you're holding. Yeah.
Yes, ne?
This is like
You
a
can
puzzle, no?
Speak in German. Keep going.
Okay, ich spreche mal in Deutsch, ne? Genau, das ist die Burg Hanstein in Thüringen, ne?
Yes.
Und das ist die älteste Burgruine in Mitteldeutschland. Die ist circa 1000 Jahre alt.
Wow.
Ja.
Okay, Tarisi doesn't understand anything, so I will translate briefly.
Und hier
So-
wird ganz viel gefeiert. Und wir begrüßen jeden Tag unsere Gäste aus aller Welt. Die ersten, die heute gekommen sind, waren aus Miami.
Oh, first people visiting
Ja,
today
aus
came from
Florida.
Miami. So a lot of international people are coming.
Fiji.
Und die letzten
Fiji.
aus Fidschi. Genau.
Yes.
Fiji.
So Tarisi bought a puzzle, but the lady, I just want to translate what the lady just explained. So it's the oldest castle ruin in Germany, like or in Middle Germany,
Little Germany.
more than 1000 years old. And a lot of international people are coming every day to visit. So
Genau.
we have Fiji. This morning people from Miami came. So and yeah.
And in December we have Christmas of
Christmas markets or yeah, we've seen. Nice.
Wow,
Thank you for explanation.
so much.
Vielen Dank.
Okay.
schöne Grüße an Fiji.
Schönen Feierabend.
Bye bye. Chew. Yes, we got the posters, postcards, and the puzzle.
You know somebody who likes puzzles?
Yes, my son Leo, he loves puzzles.
So Leo, you have a present.
Leo, there, yes, you have a present from Germany, from East Germany. What's the name of Hanstein Castle? The name of a castle here. Nakabale, we come in a barong to kumai. Yes, oldest castle in central Germany, 1,000 years old. So when I first read the label, I thought it was 600. I went inside, I thought it was 800. And now coming outside from the lady, she said 1,000. So those of you who want to get married, this is a good place to come and get married or renew your vows. Yeah? Or those of you who are single, yes. If you're single, you might find someone here in Germany.
Now you know where to take the renewal of your marriage.
Exactly. Wow. So that's one of the old maps. Yeah, that's how I saw the 1526. What does it say? 17 May.
So they signed some paper to make peace because they were worrying like all the time of the other castle that I think you showed the people already.
Yeah.
So and they made like a peace and they signed some documents.
Oh, I see. Wow, that's amazing. Stendort is it the other castle?
No, it's where we are.
Oh,
now.
it's where we are.
Like the village is called Rimbach.
Okay.
So and I think this is the
Where the castle is, eh? The moat.
maybe yes, maybe. Or maybe this is what belongs to the castle, all the like land also, because there were
see.
also growing plants. In the
Yes. Wow. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, the history of this place. I'll keep rolling this video so we can see the castle from where we parked our car. So you can see the distance, yeah? This is great. Dogs barking.
Actually, I mean, if we would, I don't know about your time, but I think we should go home soon. Because I have also plenty of things to do, but actually here's like a nice village also.
Oh,
But I think maybe now because it's Monday, a lot of things are closed. You see here actually it's a shop.
I
I
see.
think down there is like a historical pub, but I think it was also closed when we passed by. I like this actually, this wooden house.
Yeah, I love the wooden house. And you mentioned there's a sausage museum?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a sausage museum, but I'll come back another time to come and learn about the history of sausages here in Germany, because that was part of their diet, the meal. Really? Oh, they're so cute. Hello. Hi. And a museum Chumiraya. And now we're going to where we Totoka. Hello.
Teresa, what did impress you the most?
Yeah.
Doing an interview?
Yes.
Like,
For me, it's the architecture itself and the view. As you said, there's the purposes of building such castles to view across the land, but also to keep an eye on enemies and things like that. So yeah, very impressive. The view is magical.
it's beautiful landscape. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Hello.
Oh,
Stay in the hotel. It's called the view on the two castles, because you can see this Hanstein and the other castle that I was telling you about, right? The enemy, the warrior. And you have a lot of like hiking places. So this is where last time I think I came here with Jonas
yes.
a few weeks ago, and we were just hiking there in the forest. You have beautiful views on the other side, and there's a river. It looks very beautiful. So next time, Teresa, I
Yes.
will take you on a hike.
Oh, here? Wow.
So this is very German, actually. This is like Weihnachtsmarkt, Christmas market. No, maybe you have it also in other countries, but the Germans love to do Weihnachtsmarkt. And we've already seen, I think Teresa showed you already, like some of the little stalls, how do you call it, that they installed already for the Christmas market.
The market, Wow.
But the lady, at first I thought she would, but said no, I don't want to be filmed. But then she was actually
She was excited.
Look over there, maybe the rain stopped.
Oh, finally the rain is here and we finished our tour. God is good. Hey, so look, that's a castle where we were a few minutes ago. So thank you for joining us on this beautiful day. And now we're heading back to our home. Nakavakalev everybody. Modemanda.